Hi everyone, in this lesson I'm going to explain about the second conditional. So the second conditional is used to imagine present or future situations that are impossible or unlikely in reality. So it means that we just think, we just imagine in the present or future, but these things cannot happen. So the probability is unlikely. So we have to follow the structure, this structure, to make the sentence correctly. If plus past simple, and then would plus infinitive. So firstly, we use the second conditional in the future that are probably not going to happen, but predicting somehow. For example, if I won the lottery, I would buy a big house. I probably will not win the lottery, yes? Because here in this situation, we are talking about the future, just predicting, just your imagination. So you will not win the lottery. So it's unlikely. Maybe you win, but it's like, I would say 20% true fact, maybe 10%. Secondly, the second conditional is used in the present, which is impossible because it's not true. For example, if I had his number, I would call him. Well, I don't have his number in the present time. Right now, I don't have his number. So it's impossible for me to call him, right? So we are talking about this, about the current situation, the present time. So that was about the second conditional, future and present. Okay, and let me talk about the differences between the first and second conditionals. So what is the difference? Let's compare it. So first conditional is 80% likely. So it can happen, yes. It's reality, it can happen, but not 100%, like 80%, because 100% is the fact. It's a zero conditional sentence. So, for example, if I have enough money, I'll buy some new shoes. Okay, it's much more likely that I will have enough money to buy some shoes, right? Because shoes are not so expensive. It's affordable, so you can buy it. You can buy shoes for winter, for autumn, I don't know, just for spring. So like every year you can buy shoes. It's not a problem to buy it. So you have enough money, you can have that money to buy it, yes? So it means that the situation can happen like 80%. Second conditional is unlikely, 50%, because, or maybe just 20%, I would say, because it's not like first conditional. So it's unreality, so unlikely in reality. For example, if I had enough money, I would buy a house with 20 bedrooms and a swimming pool. So I'm probably not going to have this much money. It's just a dream, not very real, right? Just a dream and imagination. My prediction, I would say. So just think about that, about the poor people. Let's say if you are poor, if you don't have enough money, and you just think about it, that you want to buy this big house, but you don't have enough money. So it's unlikely. So this thing cannot happen. So in reality. If you are rich, so it is another thing. So it depends on the situation, of course. If you don't have money, then you cannot think about it. Maybe you just can dream, but it's unlikely, okay? All right, so I'm just comparing here the differences between them. So you have to practice, okay? And then let me explain the questions. How do we make questions in second conditional? So the structure is would and then plus infinitive verb and plus if plus past simple. So it's like a general question. So for example, Would you go to Germany if you had much money? We can also change the position of clause. So in this case, you see here, we use first would and then if clause. Yeah. If we change the position, so we can say if you were a millionaire, would you be lying on a beach somewhere? We just change the position. So please remember that result clause is would and if clause is past simple. So we cannot change this result clause like past simple, if clause like would, so we cannot change it. So you have to use if clause in past simple and result clause in would. So in special questions, we have to put in the first position question word and then would infinitive verb plus if and plus past simple. Like this, we have to follow this structure, but just we put question word here. For example, if you went back in time, what year would you go to? And so on. So please practice more and thank you for watching.